Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage your email aliases in ExchangeDefender. If you're looking for an easy way to send and receive emails from multiple addresses without creating new mailboxes, this is the guide for you. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is an email alias? An alias is an additional email address that routes messages to your primary inbox. You can send and receive emails from this alias without setting up a separate mailbox. This is great for handling multiple business functions under one account or for privacy reasons. To manage your email aliases, log into your ExchangeDefender admin panel at admin.exchangedefender.com. Once inside, navigate to the Email Aliases section under your account settings. To create a new alias, click on Add Aliases and enter the alias email address you'd like to use. Make sure to choose the correct domain if you manage multiple domains. After that, click Save. And that's it. Your alias is now active and ready to receive emails. To remove an alias, simply go back to your list of all active aliases. Click Delete to remove it permanently. Before we wrap up, here are some quick best practices for managing email aliases effectively. Limit the number of aliases per user to avoid confusion. Use aliases for specific roles or departments, like support @ or sales @. Set up email forwarding rules if needed to organize incoming messages. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.